Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lox Pizza Sandwich. So we start off on a well-floured surface, take our pizza dough and roll it out by hand, stretch it so that it's nice and even, and then we drizzle the entire top with olive oil and brush that into place. You then fold it over as you would a calzone, and then top the top of it with olive oil and salt. Now that oil, as it goes into the oven, is going to prevent the dough from sticking to itself, and the steam within the dough itself is going to cause it to puff up. Make sure that you rotate it quickly, depending on the temperature that you're cooking at, and take it out when it's nice and brown. Now the interior of this will not stick, so as you pull it apart, you can see it's nice and steamy on the inside. We add our whipped cream cheese. You can use regular cream cheese if you want to. Our smoked salmon, and then I have some diced parsley. You could even use diced dill if you have it. Top it with capers, a copious amount of capers, and then some thinly sliced red onion, ideally sliced with a mandolin if you have one, lemon juice, lemon zest, and you have a delicious sandwich. This is the first of several ways that we're going to show you how to make these sandwiches, and it may seem a little unconventional, but this is absolutely delicious. I promise if you give it a try, you'll love it. Buon appetito!